Okay, once you sign up for your affiliate program, you should come to a screen like here, like this one. What you need to do now is put in your username, password, then log in. Once you log in, come over here to your link generator, and these are the different programs that you promote. What you do here is come to the first one, Rehab Evaluate. Just worry about this one for right now. Just this link. Copy this link right here. Just copy it, and if you got a notepad, you can post it over there. That way you can just go to your notepad to get the link. I use Evernote. My note keeping. So just come over here to Evernote. It's free. Get your sign up for an account. It's simple. Walk you through it. Just get the free account. You don't need nothing else but the free one. I'm just gonna log in. Let's see, where can I log in at? Let's see. Then all you want to do here, just copy the link over here. That way you can come here. Now you create your website. Just hit the new note right here. And then just copy it. You can add a title if you want to. Just copy and paste it right there. And that's your link. That's the link you're going to be using to promote this product right here. You can just put affiliate links up here for the title. Type affiliate links here. Now, one thing you can do is go to your website, go to the back of your website, go to your plugins, install plugin. Look for a plugin called Pretty Link. Right here it says add plugin. Just type add new. Once you get here, come over here for a search for Pretty Link. And it should come up over here. Look for that. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Short link. Just rename it. And then just download. I already have it. So here we download that plugin. And once you download the plugin, make sure you activate it. Come over here to Pretty Links. And click on Pretty Links right here. Now what you're gonna do now is just create a new Pretty Link. Add a Pretty Link. What you're doing here, basically, you want to be able to create a link. Let me see. Let's click here to add Pretty Link. That way you can take your name right here and just type in real estate investing software. That might be a little longer link, but you can type in real estate investing software. And then what you're gonna do is paste your link here. That way it makes it look a little cleaner. So what you do here, you can track it. You know how many times you get hit. Just hit create link. And once you do that, real estate software, just come over here and copy that link here. And you can just go to your Evernote. Paste that link here. Now if you click this link here, It's going to take you to the software that you will be promoting. Okay, set that up, and I'll create another video showing you how to actually promote the software. Thank you.